somewhere. You just bring out the largest lens you have. Let's get close
Wait, are you
up.
gonna take pictures?
Oh, we're taking
I want a
videos.
video.
Well, I'm getting a video.
Video. This is gonna be the greatest thing that's ever happened to me, I think.
Oh no, but I'm gonna see pictures of it. What do you think's gonna happen?
You're gonna do it.
There
you go.
Take it in hard.
No, you can't. As part of the whole thing.
Don't put it all over our living room.
Get it down. Get it down. Come on.
All right, don't talk until it's all down. He's so regretting this decision.
Do you want some water? You want some water?
Just let it sit there. It'll get all, like, you know, moist. Slowly
Wait, you're gonna do
move
it.
it down your throat.
Oh my god. Do you want water? No? Okay.
You want
Just
some
drink your
beer?
beer.
Yeah, you want some beer?
Come on!
Faster.
How much is left? Like all of it?
Like all of it. No, like all of it. No, it came out.
Yeah, you're cheating.
You're cheating.
Oh,
It's falling out. I told you it was hard.
Why are you being like this?
Oh, he's chewing it.
working it out. Working it out.
Oh my god.
I think I'm making progress.
Honestly, that sucks.
It's on its way now.
I can hear it.
It had to get to that point.
It's
The
all
problem is it like
It's
takes away all your
hard.
saliva. Well, yeah, I cinnamon. What do you? Oh, actually, that was gonna be easy.
But you cheated, so it came out.
Oh, like, what do you think that was? It wasn't even an important amount. That was delicious. Thank you.